Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. In this video, we'll be doing the battery drain test of the newly launched Oppo Reno 14. Now, Oppo Reno 14 comes with a massive 6000 mAh battery. There is also 80 watt charging support. In fact, we have done the charging test of this device. Do check out our channel in case you have not watched the charging test of the 6000 mAh battery. So in this video, we'll be doing the battery drain test. So a lot of you have been asking us to do the battery drain test. Now, this device is a pretty good compact device and it's a good package out there for 3799, although it may not have the powerful processors like the Poco or the OnePlus Nord 5, but this has a pretty balanced package and this has 6000 mAh battery as well. So let's see how good the experience is. This is powered by the Dimensity 8350 octa-core processor, LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 is the one, and we have 8GB RAM variant on this device. So that's the hardware. So let's go straight into the device and see the battery drain. So before starting, let's remind our viewers that this is not a completely accurate test. This is just an approximate test to give you an idea about how the battery drain would be. So we are testing inside the room with the fan running. There is absolutely no AC running. This would be tested in 120 Hz refresh rate and AMOLED display, auto brightness levels, and the balance mode is being used here. And we'll also see the ideal battery drain after like 7-8 hours to see how much of battery drain happens overnight. We'll also check that, but again, this is not an accurate test, just a test to give you an indicative idea about how much battery you can get approximately on the Reno 14. So we'll be using YouTube, Instagram, gaming, then we'll use Twitter, Facebook, camera usage, all of these combined. Let's see how much of time it does give on the Reno 14. So let's start. Before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So let's start off with the Reno 14 battery drain test. So you can see the settings. Now this is the Reno 14, the Dimensity 8350 octa-core processor, and you can see all the details. So let's now disconnect the device from the charger, and we are starting off that timer as well. So let's start the battery drain test. So first we'll use Instagram. So first we'll use Instagram. We'll use Instagram on Wi-Fi network. We'll watch some reels for almost 1.5 hours and see how much battery drain happens. So Instagram reels is one thing which a lot of us use on a daily basis. So we'll watch Instagram reels. So after 1.5 hours, that's 1 hour 30 minutes of Instagram on Wi-Fi usage, we have 90% of the battery remaining. So 1.5 hours, 10% battery drain with Wi-Fi. Next, let's go to Instagram. This time around, we'll use 5G network. So now we are using Instagram on 5G network, watching reels again, and by 1 hour 30 minutes, we have 79% battery remain. That means around 11% battery drain with 5G. So now 3 hours has been completed. We have 79% of the battery available. Next, let's go to YouTube. We'll watch some videos on YouTube, and this time around it will be on Wi-Fi network. We'll watch YouTube for 1 hour, and at the end of 1 hour we have 70% battery remaining. So now 4 hours completed and we have 70% battery remaining on the device. Let's continue with YouTube. This time around we'll use 5G network, and this time we'll use 2 hours on 5G network, because if you are traveling we'll use mostly 5G network. So we'll use YouTube on 5G networks for 2 hours, and at the end of 2 hours we have 49% battery remaining. So now 6 hours of battery drain completed, and we have 49% battery available. Next, let's go to camera. Now since most of us use camera outdoor, we'll be using camera on the 5G network. We'll record 4K 60 FPS videos for 1 hour, and at the end of 1 hour of camera recording we have 33% battery available. So almost 16% drop in 1 hour of camera usage. Now we have completed 7 hours and we have 33% battery remaining. Let's go to gaming. So this time around we'll game on Wi-Fi, because most of us game indoor with Wi-Fi. So we are connected the device to the Wi-Fi, and we'll play 2 games, Asphalt Unite for 20 minutes, and next 40 minutes we'll play BGMI, different levels we'll play, and we'll see how much of battery drain happens. So at the end of 1 hour of gaming, that's 8 hours of usage total, we have 23% battery remaining. So 8 hours completed and we still have 23% battery remaining. So at this point of time, we'll stop the battery drain test. We'll continue tomorrow and see how much of idle battery drain happens during the night, around 7-8 hours, and we'll see how much battery drain happens. So right now we are stopping the test. We'll come back tomorrow and start it. So now we are again starting the test the next day. So let's see the battery drain during the last 7-8 hours. So you can see here 20% battery available. That means 3% battery drain overnight. That's the idle battery drain. Let's continue with Twitter. We'll use Twitter on Wi-Fi network for 1 hour, and at the end of 1 hour of Twitter usage on Wi-Fi network, we have 13% battery remaining. Let's continue with the battery drain test. This time around, we'll use Facebook. We'll again watch some videos on Facebook on Wi-Fi network for 1 hour, and by now 1 hour is completed. We have 8% battery remaining. So now total 10 hours completed and we still have 8% battery remaining. Let's continue the battery drain test. We'll again use Instagram again on Wi-Fi network for 1 hour. And by now 11 hours has been completed on this battery drain test and we still have 1% battery remaining. So let's see how much more time it will take to drain it, and by 11 hours and 13 minutes we have 0% battery. That means the battery is completely drained out. 11 hours and 13 minutes is what it took to drain the battery on the Reno 14. So that's the battery drain. So you could see here it's a pretty good battery, 11 hours 13 minutes, or 11 hours you can approximately say for the 6000 milliampere battery. So in real world testing probably you will get somewhere around 9.5 or 10 hours on an average. 9.5 you should be able to easily get on this device with mixed usage, but again it depends upon app to app. You might get even more, you might get slightly lesser, so that all depends upon the apps you use. So on average you can expect somewhere around 9 to 9.5 hours of battery life with this massive 6000 milliampere battery. So that was the battery drain test of the Reno 14, and we have used multiple social networking app. We have also seen the idle battery drain over the night. So what do you guys think about the battery drain test? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section. So we feel this is pretty good actually for a 6000 milliampere battery. Around close to 9.5 to 10 hours of screen on time is quite good performance. So that was the battery drain test of the Reno 14. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.